Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebar. In this video, let us learn about Python download, installation and how to check or validate Python is installed properly or not. Also, we will learn various ways to write and run the Python codes. In the previous chapter, that's the first chapter, we have learned some of the basic things about Python. What is Python? What are its features and advantages? Now let us move step by step. Firstly, let us download the Python. To download Python, go to the Python official. To download Python, go to the Python official website python.org/downloads. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Then go to the download section and then you can click on Python 3.1.0. What is the latest version that will be shown here, or you can directly download from here. Once the file is downloaded, then you go to the downloaded location and double click on the file and window will open. Since I have already installed, it is asking for a option modify, and then you select all the default options. No need to change anything here, and let the pip also get installed. This is a package manager for Python software, and click on next. And you can also leave these options as it is. Let the default option be selected and then click on install. Python will be installed. Once a Python is installed, then you can verify whether the Python is installed in your system or not properly by using the Windows command line. Go to type cmd and in this window type Python --version. It will display the version of the Python that is installed in your system. And when you install the Python, it will also by default install the pip, that is a software package manager for Python. So you can also check what is the version of the pip version. It will also display the version of the pip. So basically there are two commands that you can use: Python -version and pip -version. So now once the Python is installed, let us start with writing some sample codes in Python. There are various approaches by which we can write the codes. We can write, let us try with method number 1, Windows command prompt. We will open a Windows command prompt. Let us open Windows command prompt using type cmd and command prompt will open. Then you just type Python here. Then this will provide you with a Python editor. Then you can just write print hello, this is first program. See, this program gets printed. This statement, whatever is given inside the print, got printed here. And similarly, you can add 2 + 2 = 4. It will be displayed. 10 divided by 2, 5. It got displayed. And these are the sample small codes that you can write in using a Windows command prompt. And method number 2 is using a Python shell or IDLE. To open IDLE, just type IDLE. Python IDLE will open like this, and just click on this, and this window will open. Here also you can write the Python code. Just let us write some sample code here. Print hello, welcome to Python. 2 + 2, 4. 10 divided by 2, 5. Like this you can use this ideally as well, ideally shell as well to write your Python codes. Just you can type exit or Control Z. Let us close this. So these are the two ways we have learned, and third way is you can use the Python.exe file. You need to go to the location where the Python is installed in your PC, where the Python is installed. For that location you need to go to the location where your Python is installed. And third way of executing the code is using a Python.exe file. Go to the location where your Python software is installed. Generally it will get installed in this location in the Windows PC. See users, AppData, local programs, Python 1.0, Python 3.1.0. So here you will find a Python executable file. Just double click on this file, the editor will open. Here you can write the code as well. This is another way of writing the Python code. And one more method is online interpreters. You can use Python online interpreters. In Google, if you type Python online interpreters, many online interpreters you can see. This is a sample interpreter I have opened here. Just you can write the code here and execute as well. We can write the code using online interpreters. This is for example, this is one of the interpreter. This is one more way of writing the Python codes. And another way is using Python IDE, that is Pycharm, Eclipse, etc. And Pycharm is the one that is most popular tool for Python. We will see how to use this Pycharm tool, and Pycharm is the tool that we will be using for our future upcoming chapters. So let us see how to install the Pycharm software. To install the Pycharm software, go to this, to install Pycharm locator, go to the JetBrains Pycharm download location, and I will provide this link to download the Pycharm software in the description of this video. Then based on your operating system, you can select which version of the Pycharm you want to download, and this is a professional version and paid version, and this is a community version and free to download. You can click on download, it will get downloaded, and you can simply double click and install with all the default options. Once Pycharm is installed, you can check here Pycharm, you can type here this Pycharm community edition, you will be able to see when in the Windows search prompt. And we can, let us wait for some time for a Pycharm to open. Once Pycharm is opened, you can create a new project by going to File, New Project, let us give some name for the project here, Python tutorials. I will give a name, and then you can just, this interpreter will get automatically selected. If not selected, you can select the Python interpreter from the your downloaded location, and this is the name of the project that we want to create. and just click on create. You can select this window, means this window will be used for opening a project. If you create new window, one more pop-up will be opened, and in that pop-up window project will get opened. So I will select this window. So now your project will be visible on the left side panel, and we'll now let us create one package. Package called programs. So, and to write a program, you create a Python file. Let us give as a say first program. So hit enter. .py file will get created. This is the IDE, integrated development environment, called, this is the Pycharm IDE, that is integrated development environment. This is the one that is mostly used in the projects, and this will provide various features to manage your files. So let us write some sample program here. Print hello, this is first Python program. So you can double click and click on run. Then you can see the output here. This is the first Python program. And so now we have learned, so in this chapter we have learned installation of Python. So now in this chapter we have learned downloading and installing and validating the Python, and various ways of writing the, and various ways to write and run the Python codes, and some of the commands which are useful for checking the version of the Python. I hope this is helpful for you. We will continue in the next chapter. Thank you for watching.